Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today. Mini certified pre-owned vehicles are obsessively inspected by the highly skilled Mini technicians. Mini certifies their vehicles in one of two ways. Both include warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and the assurance that your Mini has been reconditioned with 100% genuine Mini parts. Talk to your local dealer today to find out more about the Mini Certified Pre-Owned program.